So what do you got?
We got
Two Lego sets.
Yep, we got a Star Wars Lego set. It is a speeder.
Yep. Star Wars Lego. 278 pieces. Sand Speeder.
Sand
And I don't even know what movie that's from because I never seen it. I've seen a Snow Speeder.
Yeah. Well, maybe it's just it's mostly the same thing, and
Yeah.
then it's just in a different color. I also got this. What do you call it?
Architecture of Las Vegas.
Yeah, an architecture building set of Las Vegas. So we're gonna be building this one.
You need a knife. And your gaming chair in the background there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's do it. So we're starting with number 1 baggie. We got my instructions right here. Get them boys out. Down to here. First bag. Bigger pieces. Then we got the small pieces. Let's build the minifigures. Should we do mean? We're gonna do happy. Looks like it's a girl. We got our helmet. And then there should also be a little blaster. There you go. First minifigure. Okay, let's get building.
Shut up and sit down.
Third bag. And we get to make another character. Yay! Okay, let's make a character. Torso, got it. Legs, got it. Got a little gun. Got a little blaster. We're gonna use a nail, so we're gonna put that on. Boom, we got Mr. and Mrs. And we also got us a little silver snake. Okay, let's build. Ready? Dramatic in. Boom, look at that. We got
Romantic, isn't it?
Load the guns up. You got the stickers on.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent job. Wonderful.
Take the guns off, stick them in this little package. Set one of them back here.
I don't think you know what you're doing.
I know.
Actually.
Oh, here we go. You load the guns up into this little package. You take the dude or the girl. And then load them in there. Load them up here.
Alright, so Junior just completed the Star Wars Sand Speeder, right? Awesome. 278 pieces. Here's the book. Was it very hard? How long did it take you? Like not an hour, a half hour maybe? Yeah. Here it is. What cockpit opens. You got 2 minifigures, vaporizer or moisturizer or something.
Snake comes out.
Cool. You got 2 minifigures. Who are they? Just generic people? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sand Speeder Pilot and Sand Speeder Gunner.
Not very special.
So that's it. Small set, but pretty cool. Definitely a cool looking ship.
This is just like the water.
Yeah, it's the Snow Speeder basically, but instead of white, it's brown. So thanks for watching our video. Say thank you, Junior.
Thank you.
Say goodbye, subscribe.
Goodbye and subscribe.
Your channel.
Yeah.
Might put this on your channel.
Alright.
You will.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Cool.
Until next time.